Namaste everyone, my name is Devi Pratiksha and today we are going to practice Karnapeedasana. The benefits of Karnapeedasana is that you're always doing online classes like this and you never know how to be upside down and the blood circulation needs to get in your head. When the blood circulation gets in your head, you become intelligent, radiant and smart. And this exercise is one of my favorite exercises. I love it. All the kids watching my program, you are going to love this exercise. So let's get started. For Karnapeedasana, lie down on your back, lift up your legs, and then bring them back and lift your face between your legs, like this. Push yourself with your hands. Stay in this position as long as you can and then gently come back. Make sure there is no jerk. Relax your hands, relax your legs and your entire body. Stay in this position for at least 30 seconds. Turn and then gently sit down. You can practice this exercise 3 times a day. Tomorrow we are going to meet with some new exercises. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit. Bye!